Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own natural sunscreen at home. Many store-bought sunscreens contain chemicals that can be harmful to both our skin and the environment. By making your own DIY natural sunscreen, you can ensure that the ingredients are safe for your skin and the planet. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to take control of your skincare routine. So, let's get started. Ingredients for DIY natural sunscreen. To make your DIY natural sunscreen, you'll need the following ingredients. Zinc oxide powder. This is a mineral that provides broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays. It's gentle on the skin and doesn't cause irritation, making it perfect for sensitive skin types. You can purchase non-nano zinc oxide powder online or at your local health food store. Coconut oil. This natural oil has moisturizing properties and can help protect your skin from the sun. Shea butter. Rich in vitamins and fatty acids, shea butter nourishes and moisturizes the skin while providing some sun protection. Beeswax. This ingredient helps to thicken the sunscreen and provides a water-resistant barrier on your skin. Essential oils, optional. You can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance, but make sure to avoid citrus oils, as they can increase sun sensitivity. How to make DIY natural sunscreen. Now that we have our ingredients, let's make our DIY natural sunscreen. Step 1. In a double boiler, melt 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of shea butter, and 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Stir the mixture until everything is melted and combined. Step 2. Remove the mixture from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, add 2 tablespoons of non-nano zinc oxide powder and stir well to ensure there are no clumps. Step 3. If you're using essential oils, add a few drops now and mix well. Step 4. Pour the mixture into a clean, airtight container, such as a glass jar or a tin. Allow the sunscreen to cool and solidify completely before using. Step 5. To use your DIY natural sunscreen, apply a generous amount to all exposed skin areas at least 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 hours or after swimming, sweating, or toweling off. Tips and precautions. Here are a few tips and precautions to keep in mind when using your DIY natural sunscreen. Perform a patch test. Before applying the sunscreen to your entire body, do a patch test on a small area of skin to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions to the ingredients. Store it properly. Keep your sunscreen in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its effectiveness. Know its limitations. While this DIY sunscreen provides some protection against the sun's harmful rays, it may not have the same level of protection as a store-bought sunscreen with a specific SPF rating. Make sure to also use other sun protection measures, such as wearing a hat, sunglasses, and protective clothing. Reapply frequently. As with any sunscreen, it's essential to reapply your DIY natural sunscreen regularly to maintain adequate sun protection. And there you have it, your very own DIY natural sunscreen. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great DIY skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.